Good morning, grade 4. How are you? I hope to be well. Today we are going to continue in workbook page 64 by using how much and how many. Did you remember how much and how many? We use much for uncountable noun and we use many for a countable noun. First question, we are going to put how much or how many. Yes, yeah. Number one, go are there on the farm. Goat is a countable noun, so we are going to use how many. Number two, snow is uncountable noun, so we are going to use how much. How much snow is there on the mountain? Number three, people live in the desert. People is countable noun, so we are going to use how many people live in the desert. Number four, tents have they got. Tents is a countable noun, so we are going to use how many with it. Bread did mom buy. Bread is uncountable noun, اسم غير معدود, so we are going to use how much. Also, time have you got. Have you got, time have you got, time is uncountable noun, so we are going to use with time how much. Now, next question, we are going to choose the correct answer. There is not much water in the desert. Much is uncountable noun. So, water is uncountable noun, so we are going to use much. My sister has got friend. Friend countable noun, so we are not, sorry, we are going to use lots of because much for uncountable noun. So the children did not find firewood. Firewood يا teacher اللي هو الحطب يعد اسم غير معدود. So we are going to use much. Okay. Here there are not geese on the lake. Geese is a countable noun, so we are going to use many. Joe could see animals in the field. Animals is a countable noun, so we are going to use a lot of, not much. There was grass for reindeer to eat. Grass is uncountable noun, and we don't have much, so we are going to use lots of. Here, the second question, we are going to use this sentence in a meaning, this word in a meaningful sentence. Not much. There isn't much water in the bath. Not many. There aren't many lorries in the company. Lot of. There were a lot of animals in the zoo. Lots of. There are lots of children in the class. Here, remember, a lot of the same with lots of. Both have the same meaning. Now let's move to the booklet, page 11 and 12. Here we are going to use many and much. How space pupils are in the class. Pupils the same with a student. It's a countable noun, so we are going to use many. Here there are space snows on the mountain. Snow is an uncountable noun, so we are going to use much. Here there isn't space time. We are late. Much because time is uncountable noun. Here, have space sand at the beach with much. Here, choose the correct answer. There is not space animals. Here, teacher, we have a print mistake, not as are, because the name here is a plural. So there are. Okay, change is here to are. There are not many animals in the farm because animal is a countable noun. Here there was space fish in the sea, a lot, sorry, lots of, because we have a large amount of fish. كمية كبيرة من السمك. There are space bird, a lot of, because bird a countable noun. There are space bird, we use many or much. We are going to use many because it's a countable noun. Here the last one, taxis pass down this street, a lot of, because we can count the taxi. And that's fine for today. Thank you for listening. Teacher, there is a homework in workbook page 70, question number 1 and question number 2. يعطيكم ألف عافية.